patsoy! Guys, iba di off ang karon ako pero manlakaw daw mi dadon ko nila. So may na lang basin pa di ay. Kani ito pa nagana ba? New Year good ron. Pero guys, I'm so happy this morning. Kay naday cake nga giandam si ma'am para sa ako for Chinese New Year. Pakaon daw na ako ikabuntag. So I'm so happy. Ginana sila ka-OE. Let's try this cake. You want? Oh, no. Cannot eat the cake because I don't know if you feel itchy later. Meron na manggod siya
Can you give me
skin
a
allergies ba, ha?
Can you give me a spoon?
I will use it.
No, you give me first.
Oh. That one is for the lunch box. That's why I can fold. Because if you put inside the lunch box, it become very small like this. And the lunch box can cover. You see, I like this spoon. Yeah. Ay. Let's try the cake. But this cake is
It's what?
I love it.
Can I try?
I
want to try this one.
Which one? Lami siya.
It's not yummy.
I love it. So yummy. This is from Mama. You know?
Who, Mama?
Your mama.
And who?
I don't know.
Apple?
Yo.
Ima?
Litong.
No.
May karton.
What is this?
Aya.
What is this?
I am taking a video by ito ba?
What is this?
At the responding guys, no? More than 1 hour ang biyahe kay doon sa China.
What about the 1 hour?
Next is China.
Yes, please. Poo-poo.
Kape.